Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a broken stone statue effect. Overlay a stone texture, clip it into the face, set the blend mode to overlay or soft light, and add cracks, PNG, overchecks and forehead. Mask edges to the blend realistically. Use burn tool to deepen shadow cracks. Add soft dust textures for again effect. Apply color lookup, bleach bypass, and adjust contrast with curves. Use a brush to paint chipped parts. Blur background slightly for focus and merge or sharpen facial details. Your photo now looks like